Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to press the subscription button. In this video, I am going to share with you a face mask to remove pimples and dark spots. To make this face mask, you need sandalwood powder, turmeric powder, rose water and tea tree oil. Sandalwood, also called chandan, and turmeric, also called haldi, have been used in Ayurveda to cure skin problems and in clarifying the skin. Chandan has soothing, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which reduces skin irritation and reduces hyperpigmentation. Haldi has antibacterial properties which help in reducing acne, acne marks and pigmentation. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. To make this face mask, add 1 spoon of sandalwood powder. Next, add half spoon of turmeric powder. To it, add 2 spoons of rose water. Next, add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Mix all the ingredients properly to make a fine paste. Apply the face mask on your face. Keep it for 10 to 20 minutes and rinse with normal water. I hope you find this video informative and useful. Try the face pack at home and do let me know about your experience in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe.